Awesome. Congratulations on completing this course. You are now well aware of what are the capabilities of Google Data Studio in just 30 minutes. You have learned how to connect to data sources and do some transformations. You learned how to create charts, and then you also learned some interesting ideas to make your report more effective, powerful, and amazing. Great. I hope this whole course was very useful for you to get a flavor of what business intelligence can do and what Google Data Studio can do. What I would also recommend once again is to look at my this course where I covered Google Data Studio in much more detail in nothing less than 11 hours. Yes, this is a long course, but I covered everything in detail, and that's why I really recommend you to look at this course and buy this and get a complete picture of Google Data Studio's capabilities. Thank you very much for taking this course with me, and see you soon in some another course. Awesome. Bye.